So today we're going to be looking at how you can effectively use tags on Apple Finder, on the Finder on the Mac. So you may have noticed if you're a new Mac user, or you've always wondered what this thing is. If you scroll down on your sidebar, you're going to notice all these different colours, and it says above it tags. And what does that mean? So the idea of the tag system is, let's say we make this folder and we associate it with the red tag. So now that is associated with red, if we click red, we can now have that bring up all the files associated with the red tag. So it's been very useful if you're managing projects or you want to keep track on different types of work, or you maybe do schoolwork and you want to keep different classes as different colours. It can be very useful for that. So we're just going to go back, and what we're going to do is we're just going to assign some of these some different colours just so we can show you. We'll even assign another one red. So now you can see we have all these folders assigned to different colours. So if we click red, you're going to see 2 folders in there. You're going to see one in orange, one in green, and also one in purple. And one of the other cool things you can do is you can change the name just by right clicking and rename it. So we might change this one to Project 1, let's say. And now it's updated all the tags. All these things will now be associated with that. It's a very powerful tool for pulling files together and just having a perspective where you've got different folders or different files in different locations. You can see them all as one here. And one of the other things you can do is you can also mark things other colours, and you can click into all tags just as we have down here. It's another way to view the tag system, but it's a very useful way to keeping track of work. One of the other things you can do is if files overcross or something, you can also double colour them up. So we'll take this test 1 here and we'll also make it into green. So you can see now if we click back into the red tag, or the Project 1 tag as we called it, you can see that it's red and green, and it'll also show up in here. Very useful if you're using design templates or just other documents or something that you would use in a variety of different projects maybe. It's all a very useful system. I hope you find this useful and effective for your workload.